I'm headed to the Hot River North neighborhood, to a location just west of the Magnificent Mile, to tour one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished short-term apartments at a new boutique luxury tower, 8 East Huron. 8 East Huron is a short walk from Magmile Shops and Oak Street Boutiques, Northwestern and Lurie Children's Hospitals, a variety of upscale and casual restaurants, bars, and nightlife, a CTA Red Line stop, and Oak Street Beach. Whole Foods is just across the street. 8 East Huron has a south-facing pool deck with skyline views, a terrace with grilling areas, a large party room lounge with a demonstration kitchen, a media room with a conference table, and a fitness center that includes a yoga studio and a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. I've just walked into an O2 tier convertible on the 12th floor. You're looking at high ceilings, wide plank flooring that extends throughout the unit, floor-to-ceiling windows with roller blinds, an efficient galley-style kitchen, a stainless steel appliance package that includes a French door refrigerator, 5-burner gas range with a griddle cooktop. There's an under-cabinet microwave, white quartz counters, glass tile backsplash, stainless steel sink, and since we're in a Sweet Home Chicago unit, you're going to find all the countertop appliances, cookware, dishware, silverware, cutlery, everything you need to feel right at home here, including a goodie bag to welcome you home. The bath is off to the right as you would have entered the unit. Has attractive finishes, white quartz counter, again, designer lighting, and tile in the tub surround that extends up to the ceiling. Sleeping area is a full-size stackable washer-dryer in the closet. Another floor-to-ceiling window, also with roller blinds. And there's a walk-in closet with additional bedding. Very livable, very appealing unit. Great alternative to a hotel room for a short stay. And since it's Sweet Home Chicago, it's a sweet deal.